Okay, before I even go into Knott's Berry Farm, I found the Peanuts headquarters. California, California, California. I mean, it is small, but where else are you going to find a store just for peanuts? That's cute. It's kind of like the Hallmark store section. Ooh, purple. Well, it shows it's kind of blue, but it's purple. That's a really nice purple, too. Always a David, but never a Dave. Okay, I revised my previous statement. This is like way larger than it looks from the side I entered. Wow. Super bright. These little characters are $16.99. Assuming that they're all the same. Yep. $16.99 for these little plushes. Not bad. Oh look, knockoff Legos. These are cute. Of course, everyone's going to call them Legos. They look like Legos, but they're not. Yep. These are $9.99, and they are pretty cute. These are like a sort of a pleather. $12.99 for these. $14.99 for these. As you can see right there, $19.99. I like that design. That is pretty cool. This one's really good too. I don't know. $14.99 for a denim Snoopy, or $19.99 for Snoopy wearing denim. $15.99 for Spike, which is appropriate. We're in the desert. $7.99 for these little keychains. I like this part the best. $24.99 for these cute little things, and they are ridiculously soft. I like this too. This is a really cool shirt. $16.99. Nice design. Oh my gosh, the Snoopy snow cone machine. I grew up with one of these things. They are... We didn't really use it very often, if I remember correctly. I probably don't remember correctly, but it's $29.99. Whatever this is. This is actually a pretty cool design too. $14.99. $24.99 for these Snoopy stockings. So you can't you can't get away from Christmas anywhere, I guess. $49.99 for these nutcrackers. Which probably don't actually work to crack nuts, but actually they don't, because you can't fit a nut in there. Okay, it's like they made that shirt for me, but it's a small. Or this is definitely me. More so than a lot of people. I moved to Orlando because of a dog. Well, the lack of a dog. Okay, they made this corner just for me. Maybe not that one. That looks like the Martin, the show Martin. And this shirt I actually have. I guess I shouldn't have worn it, maybe? $19.99. $16.99 for this kind of cloudy Snoopy, also insanely soft. Or this pink mug. $14.99 for this pink mug. Oh, look at the sort of psychedelic cotton candy Snoopy. I think it's the same price. I'll check. Yep, $16.99 for the cotton candy Snoopy. Also super soft. Yeah, right. $49.99 for this. These are cool. $8.99. $16.99 for a tie-dye Snoopy, also super soft. Or hats, $19.99. Whole tie-dye section here, really. And it continues, $24.99. Here's with a tie-dye hoodie for $16.99. I'm not gonna show you every little item. There's a lot of cool stuff. Look at this cute little guy. And if you think a dog doesn't sleep on a pillow, yeah, they do. Stella sleeps on a pillow all the time. $19.99. Doesn't wear pajamas though. $4.99. DVDs, if you know what those are. Psychiatric help for 5 cents. Oh, it's gonna cost a lot more than 5 cents. $24.99 for tourist Snoopy. $5.99. I saw this on the way in. That's a really cool drawstring backpack. Some keychains, umbrella. So, oh, look at the kite with Charlie Brown, and he's a pretty cool beach blanket beagle. Oh, look at that backpack, little Snoopy backpack. Not very practical, but cute. Pretty cool. Really cool, actually. Oh, look, mugs. A. C. They do have Dave! Oh my gosh, I finally found a place that has... Now I have to buy it. Now I have to buy it. I was about to show you how they don't have it, but they do. It's already in my bag, practically. I just have to pay for it. Alright, I've made it. It's Camp Snoopy! I'm gonna spend a little bit of time in here. Go on a few attractions. Alright, showtime. Let's check out this little show.
Everybody say hello! Hello, hello, hello! It's time to start our show. Show, oh, oh. Stand up, everybody. Everybody say hello! Hello, hello, hello. Fire up your imagination, let it...
How can I help, NASA? What's up, NASA? Huh? It's for you.
Me? Hello?
Is this Charlie Brown?
Yes, this is Charlie Brown.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, sir, I have a dog. Moon men drew a picture of Snoopy on the moon.
Snoopy on the
Moon
moon.
men drew a picture of Snoopy on the moon.
Snoopy on the
Moon
moon.
men drew a picture of Snoopy on the moon.
Snoopy on the moon.
Moon men drew a picture. Wow, 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 yippee-yo, yippee-yay.
Wow! Dodgers!
We must focus. First, we must read the plans.
How to build a doghouse rocket ship. Just follow these simple plans. Always wanted to meet Beyonce.
Lucy, look!
We built a doghouse rocket ship. We followed the simple plans. It looks so good. I knew that it would. NASA's in good hands.
NASA's in good hands.
For the great space beagle is ready to soar. 3, 2, 1, blasting off into space. Snoopy the brave with a smile on his face. Yeah! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
The dark side of the moon.
Is flying no more. 3, 2, 1, flow through space. Snoopy the brave has finished the race. The beagle has landed.
I was expecting that. Look Looking for the moon guys, which of course is Woodstock. Well, you get the idea. I gotta head out and do some other stuff. A little less intense than the Ferris wheel I was on last night. Am I gonna go on it? Yes, I will. You guys are gonna come too. This is a cool ride, but it's a lot of stopping. Although, I mean, it is stopped. I am stopped at the top, and I get a great view. So, there's that. Very, very flat. It's like South Florida, except there are hills in the distance. So it's like one or the other. I wonder how many sandals have been dropped from up here. Well, specifically flip-flops. With the tree in the foreground, that's very cinematic. It's some parallax. It's like a giant crane shot, except it's a GoPro, and we stop. All right, there we go. They reset the shot for me. Whoa. Okay.
And a friendly reminder, please put all those cell phones right.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to be holding a cell phone. It's not scary, you drop it. You would definitely drop it. More of a, well, a safety hazard. Like I said about the sandals. Ooh, check this out. Ooh, dolly shot. I mean, dolly shot. Jeez. Whoa! Ooh. Cinematic. It's so cinematic, it's spectacular. In fact, we should celebrate it. Woohoo! Yeah, I definitely don't regret having my SLR. I mean, it'd be better image-wise. But oh, I think I just saw Mission Breakout. You guys won't see it because it's a wide. Nope, it's just a hotel. Woohoo! Worth the wait? Yeah, I'd say so. Do we get to go first? Sweet. All right, hope you enjoyed that. I did. This area has a really cool theme, as you'd expect. It's themed after a camp. Wow. But actually it's really, really nice. Look at this, this is beautiful. Wish we had this at Universal. No, I really do. Or even somewhere in Central Florida. There's a junior coaster. So junior, I'm not even allowed to ride on it.
Not my fault then.
You know what? I might as well just go all full-on tourist and get one of those reusable cups. Hey, you know, I'm usually on the other side. And I didn't bring my reusable insulated containers, which is why I got dehydrated on day one. Don't tell my mom. This thing, I'm not going to do. Spins around. I don't do spinning very well. At all. Check out the really super cute window display. Okay, I thought I would like Camp Snoopy, but it's even more awesome than I thought. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought too. Looks like there's a restaurant up there. I wonder if they serve you the food in a dog bowl. That would be cool theming. I don't know if it would really work with everybody, but it would be definitely theming. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Another canoe. Seems to be my theme these days. Look up, see a canoe. Some elk antler chandeliers. Someplace you can't go. So it's a quick serve restaurant. Have some healthy options as well. No dog dishes, but it's really cool. It's nice. Nicely done. This is interesting. I don't see a sign or anything. It looks like fun. Guess we're gonna go this way. This might be the only thing you see in this video, because I'm thinking it's gonna get dark here really soon. Oh, it's not that dark. Nice. This is a cute little ride. Little air balloon thing. We'll see how much it spins. I really am that sensitive to spinning. Sorry, I really am. Interesting. So I'm gonna end this video in Camp Snoopy because it's awesome. And as always, wah 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 wah.
So far, so good.
NASA's in good hands.
Instruction.
You're having a ball and you're really doing fine. A West Coast time